Hello, my name is Patrick from the Relton Corporation. I'm here to talk to you about the rebar cutter. It's a problem-solving product. By problem-solving, we mean profit-producing. It's a rotary-only deal available in two shanks, straight shank and SDS Plus. It's important to note it is a rotary-only tool. This grade of carbide is designed to cut steel, not pound through concrete. You use this bit, SDS, SDS Max, or spline to pound through the concrete. When you encounter steel, that's when you go to the rotary-only rebar cutter. So 90% of the job sites you're calling on where there's concrete being drilled, there's often rebar. 90% of the time there's rebar in that concrete. Therefore, this is an essential item. If you sell a handful of these, the customer that's picking them up needs to be aware of this if these aren't already in the order. Not only for the profit that it produces for your place of business, but also for the problems that it solves at his job site. Rotary only, speed is important. Every rebar cutter goes out with a little RPM guide. Generally, the slower the better. The faster it runs, the more heat it produces, and could cause premature bit failure. But as the illustration points out, it cuts through the steel. After you cut through the steel, you remove the slug and you go back to your percussion bit, drill to your desired depth, set your anchor, and move on. If you're setting a piece of wrought iron or a piece of machinery, the holes have to be in certain locations. If steel's encountered, this is the solution. So rather than have the customers breaking bits trying to get through them, sell them a solution. A lot of customers will say, well, you know, why should we sell them the rebar cutter? We sell more drill bits as they're breaking them. Well, if you don't make them aware of a problem-solving product, there's a good chance your competitor might, at which point your customer is going to scratch his head and wonder why you wouldn't share that information with them. You run the risk of losing that customer. The rebar cutter is designed to run dry. It can be used with water. If you use water, you need to use it from the word go. Don't heat up this product and throw water on it. You'll shatter the carbide, much the same as you would with a percussion bit. That's the job of the braze. The braze is there to hold this tooth in place, if you will, this carbide insert in place, so that as it heats up and expands and cools and contracts, the carbide insert stays in the drill bit.